So alif zabar you say. Alif zabar a. Alif zer. Alif pesh oo. Okay. Now the most common mistake people make is they say a. What they say? A, O. Right? This is the wrong way. The right way is A, E, U. Say it together. A, E, U. Okay. No, it's wrong. Babebo. It's wrong. What? Babibu. All of you together. When you say this word loudly, you get the blessings in your life. For each single letter in Arabic of Quran, you get 10 blessings from Allah. So don't be miser in saying words and don't keep your energy out of it. Say it powerfully. Babibu. Very good. Now why I'm telling you this? Now see the difference. There are two letters here. What is this? Sa. What's the letter? Seen. Seen zabar? Sa. Now what's the letter here? Swad. Swad zabar? Now here is the trick. This is tricky. This is sa, but this is saw. Okay? So when you say, what is this? This is durud, salawat. How do you say salawat? Most of the people, they say Allahumma salli ala. Most of the people, they say Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. This is the wrong way. Why? Because the meanings get changed. The meaning of Allahumma salli ala, that there would be blessings from Allah on Muhammad and ali Muhammad. But when you say Allahumma salli ala, it means that there is, na'uzu billah, death for Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. The meaning gets so much changed just with the little pronunciation change. So don't say salli, because it gets seen here with salli and you are supposed to say swad. So it should be Allahumma salli ala. Salli. Your tongue should touch underneath your teeth. Say it.